Hola, hi, Martes Mahuji, Banjwa, especially Mera Heart Soul Pranamas, Andu, Condolence, Hasya, Madhvi Hidma and his wife Raje, Chhattisgarh Bastar region, Naxalism couples who had lost their lives in Kagara operation and they had become one soul in one paya as wife and husband, death together, death. I haven't seen this kind of auspicioso divine bravier couples in my life as of today, and I haven't heard this kind of bravier loveful story of couples Madhvi Hidma and Rajaka, who had fought for in the justice of tribals in Bastar, Chhattisgarh region. They both went out of their to put the tribals out of their misery, slough of despond, despair, desolation, agonized situation towards happiness of greenery, forest, and they both had striven against corruption of capitalist. Their love fought for corruptionlessness, active, and especially they both fought for fifth schedule of Indian Constitution for on behalf of tribals. I'm feeling and so much of awesome bros on presentation bestowing this loveful auspicioso divine warrior couples. It's niceness complaints of Martes Mahuji, Madhvi Hidma Raje, Naxalism situation.